Hello, and welcome to the USC TeleCARE Patient Access e-learning course. USC TeleCARE is a video appointment application provided by your healthcare provider that can be accessed anywhere using a computer, tablet, or smartphone. USC TeleCARE allows patients and physicians to share information using a video connection. Virtual provider visits save you travel time and also time spent in the waiting room. You can be anywhere there's good internet connection, like at home or work. So, just how does all of this work? Your provider's office will schedule you for a virtual visit. This will trigger an email that will allow you to join the visit. You can join the virtual visit using your mobile device or a computer. Accessing USC TeleCARE. Be sure you have a strong internet connection before you begin. Additionally, you'll need to access your email. From the App Store, search for USC TeleCARE. Then, download the app. Once the installation is complete, you'll see the Keck Medicine USC TeleCARE icon on your home screen. When your provider's office schedules your appointment, you'll receive 3 email invitations from USC TeleCARE. The first immediately after you're scheduled, the second a day before your appointment, and the third an hour before your appointment. Downloading this app does not allow you to contact your provider at any time. Appointments are by invitation only. The email invitation allows you to attend the virtual appointment with your provider. It also gives you the option to contact our technical support team if you need assistance with connecting to the app. This will ensure that your camera, speakers, and microphone are properly working with TeleCARE. We recommend that you contact tech support at least 2 days prior to your visit if you require assistance. To begin your appointment, click the Enter Waiting Room button. Click Confirm. For optimal performance, it's recommended to use the USC TeleCARE app. Click Check-in. Your provider will be notified that you're waiting and will be with you shortly. Click OK to allow the app to use the microphone and camera feature on your device. You may be asked to sign consents and related documents before joining the waiting room. We recommend that you check into your appointment no more than 5 to 10 minutes before the scheduled visit. Please note that if you exit the app while waiting for your provider, they will not be able to connect. Additionally, in the event your provider has not logged on, please wait 10 to 15 minutes before disconnecting. Upon the completion of your visit, you will have the opportunity to complete a 5-question survey that will rate the quality of the call. This helps us improve so that we can ensure excellent patient care and satisfaction.